Hello everyone, good morning. Thank you for the time given to our group. So now we will presentation about expressing like and dislike, offering and requesting in the form of the dialogue. So before our presentation, let all introduce ourselves. My name is Yosi Bisani Putra.
My name is Eka Putri Wulandari.
My name is Sarah Abdullah.
My name is Elisa Khalifa.
My name is Kristiani Nuralifa. My name is Anita University. My name is Aparina Asasahir.
My name is Jumanda Yusufura.
I love this weather. It's perfect for a picnic. What do you think, Al?
I don't really like sunny weather. It's too late for me. Can I borrow your sunglasses now?
Sure, here you go.
I brought some fruit salad. Does anyone want to try it?
I'd like to, but I don't really enjoy pineapples. Could you take them out for me?
No problem. Here's portion without pineapples.
I like flying kites during picnic. I brought an extra kite. Does anyone want to join me?
I love to, but I don't know how to fly a kite. Can you teach me?
Of course, it's easy. I show you.
I brought some fruit drink. Will anyone like lemonade or iced tea?
I'd like some iced tea. Please, also, can I help you carry the cooler to the table?
Thank you, Anifa. That will be a big help.
I just realized I forgot my hat. Can someone lend me one?
I have an extra hat. Here, thanks one.
By the way, I don't really like sitting around. Can we play games like charades?
That's a great idea. Let me set up a stage for us to play.
Okay, let's go.
Okay guys, that's all our presentation and thank you. Bye bye.